Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. For today's special video, I'm gonna teach you how to easily fix mouse wheel scrolling problem, which is a common problem for Windows 10 or 11. So anyways, let's get started. First is, you need to search for control at the bottom search bar. Just type control and once done, go to open. The moment you click on open, a new window like this will appear. If in your case, you don't see any window like this, just go to view by and change it into small icons. Okay? After that, you can see a lot of options here actually. In our case, we'll be going to mouse. And once this new window containing mouse properties opened in your screen, you need to go for buttons. And if in your case it is slow, go for fast or in the middle. After that, click on apply and OK. Okay? After that, click mouse again and then go for pointer options. Might as well here under the motion, select a pointer speed. You can also go with the fast or average. Okay? After that, click apply and then OK. Okay? Here in the pointers, you can actually manually select the customize. Either it could be you can go with the normal select, help select, working in background BC if you want to make your cursor like this. You can actually customize it depending on the options that you needed. Okay? So once you're satisfied, then click on apply and then okay. So that's it. Hopefully this video tutorial helped you to fix your problem. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.